Welcome to the PartsWatch Invoicing Training Series. In this lesson, we'll look at Ship-to addresses. Normally, the customer's bill-to name and address display in the Ship-to field on the point-of-sale screen, unless a default Ship-to address is set up in the main account entry screen and the default Ship-to flag is checked. In that case, the default Ship-to address will display in the Ship-to field. So let's take a quick look at the default Ship-to on the main account entry screen, because a default Ship-to cannot be assigned from the invoicing screen. So hit F5 so you're in edit mode, click the Ship-to tab, and then click the Edit Ship-to Address button. If one or more Ship-to addresses exist, one will display, and only one can have the default Ship-to checked. So let's add another one, and let's check the Ship-to address. Now let's go back in, and you can see we have two. Now let's check this default Ship-to address, and it says it already exists, and do we want to use this one? And I'll say yes, why not? Now back to the invoicing screen. Multiple Ship-to addresses can be set up per main account, but only one can be checked as the default, and only the default Ship-to will automatically display on the POS screen. Let me re-enter the account to refresh the screen. And now we have our default Ship-to displayed. Multiple Ship-to addresses can be saved for a commercial account, and if permissions allow, clicking the Ship-to button displays the Find Ship-to window with all Ship-tos listed. Double-click or highlight one and hit Enter, or click the OK button to use that Ship-to address. And if you don't see the one you want, click Cancel, and the Ship-to address window opens to add or edit a Ship-to address. And from this window, you can reopen the Find Ship-to address window, enter a new address, or click the Account button to select an existing main account to use as the Ship-to address. Click the Clear button to clear the displayed Ship-to. It clears the window only, not from the invoice screen or the list of Ship-to addresses. Then click the Use Now button to use the entered Ship-to address for the current sale only, or click the Save button to use the entered Ship-to address for the current sale and to save it as a Ship-to for other sales, or click the Cancel button to close the Ship-to address window without entering or editing a Ship-to. And if you click the Ship-to address field, the Ship-to address window opens without opening the Find Ship-to address window first. This window behaves the same way the window opened from the Find Ship-to address window that we just looked at works. However, it does not have the Account button to select an existing main account, or the Ship-to button to reopen the Find Ship-to window. If the Use Ship-to Tax Tables flag is checked on the Invoice Options screen and security permissions allow, the Rate Table field will display to enter or edit the tax rate table that will be used for the Ship-to address instead of using the tax rate table for the store. Be sure to watch the video on setting up taxes for more information on taxing at point of sale. Ship-to addresses cannot be deleted from the point of sale screen, but they can be deleted from the main account entry screen under the Ship-to setup. Okay, that was main accounts. Now let's look at retail customers. A single Ship-to address can be saved in the retail internet customer screen for each retail customer. And if a Ship-to is saved, it will display in the Ship-to field on the invoicing screen for that customer. If the Ship-to address is edited for a retail customer from the Ship To address window on the point of sale screen, that address will be used for the current sale, but it will not be saved. And that's about it for Ship To addresses at invoicing. If you have any questions, please contact your support representative, and thanks for joining us.